Okay, I think we have the first fish of the day.
Yeah.
Do you have one?
Yep, I think so. Yeah, I think it's gonna be small though. Small though.
Small?
Yep.
Pick it up. Then we need to see what kind of fish this is. Perfect.
Jerry and Maya.
Okay, so what do we got here? There we go, guys. We got a nice little Mayan cichlid.
This is for you, Jerry.
Dang, he's feisty. There you go, guys. Little Mayan cichlid. And he's really small. We're gonna let him go and hopefully we can catch more.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we have a fish.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Man, never mind. It's small too. Whatever.
Okay, he says it's small again. I guess there's only small fish in this pond.
Yeah, but it's pretty feisty.
Let's see what we got. Another Mayan cichlid. Here it goes. This place is a festival Mayan cichlid. Look at this guy.
Yup.
These guys are pretty small, but they grow pretty good size. I actually like catching these little fish, but we need something bigger. Hopefully we can catch something bigger right now. And yeah. Okay guys, it's the end of the day. We caught one now tilapia. We caught a bunch of baby little Mayan cichlids, and we were able to catch this one little, I think like sunfish kind of fish, but I was not sure what kind of species it was. And yeah, thank you for watching. It was fun. We saw some horses and some cows out here. I haven't been fishing here for a long time, and yeah, it's good to be back. But sadly, this Payson Park place is about to close, and yeah, so most likely we won't be able to come here until like next year. But yeah, so thank you for watching and stay tuned next time.